Okay guys, in the last video we are talking about the Firestore database where we create data in the Firestore LLC and visible or show in our project. So there is a Pokemon, Lion and Sam which was collected from the name Pokemon, name Lion and the Sam. Okay, now so when you create in this Firestore, our data will shown in the apps. So but how to create a data which will show in the Firestore database? So first of all, what to make, I wrap this stream builder in a column and the list view builder is shrink wrap to. Now go for a button which is elevated button on pressed letter. Text is like create user. Okay, so basically we create a button which will create a user. So in this button we have nothing but, so let's create a method. Okay, like future create user have to put it async and let's I have to create a variable which is doc user. I'm in the document user doc user, or you can take it any. We have Firebase Firestore dot instance dot collection. Our collection name is my collection. Copy it, paste it. Okay, then where we put the data in the document sector. Okay, in the document sector. Okay, every document has its field. Let's see. So dot. Okay, so then let's call our user, like user is users. So these users from here our model class user model, which is ID, name, age, address, and the details we have lectured it in previous video. Okay, so name is what the name we will to create, like is Pokemon, Lion, Sam, and let's name is Rat, age is 10 and address is cave. Okay, so here is the part is we didn't put the ID. So basically if we miss any of this element, it will not create an user. Okay, so ID will be, so what is the ID? ID basically, what is the ID? ID means this whole thing. So every ID has a different from one each other. So let's name is red. Okay, now final JSON user dot to JSON, we have to convert it to JSON. Okay, then now we set the JSON. Okay, dot user set user dot set. The data is JSON. Copy it, paste here, and here and cast time in what we use here to not JSON, it is string. So the final JSON has user dot to JSON. This user going to convert it to JSON, and the doc user will be set as a and transfer to JSON. Okay, convert it. So now run our application. We already have 3 let's create user. Okay, sorry, I didn't do anything in here, so just call the create user function and you're done. See, the red is here and the ID name is red. So if we create another project, another database like Uber, and run it, see, we didn't change the document, okay, document by ID name. So create user, see what is it done is overwrite the same document. So you have to different between IDs, so otherwise it will overwrite the previous one. So this is the main thing. Like if we copy this and paste here, okay, so what it is Pokemon, okay. So if we just write here poke, okay, run it and create user, so the Pokemon become poke. So basically this ID name is very sensitive and it will so cut this. And what we do, here is an ID, okay. So ID is dot user dot ID. Okay, so let's run Lucas and run it. So and create user, so Lucas, where is the Lucas? See, a different unique ID or document name. So create another, see, another Lucas. Why? Because this Lucas, sorry, this Lucas is number 3 under 3. So the information is same but the ID is different. So this is the very sensitive part. So our creating user is done. Now we have to update or delete any user from the database. So copy the elliptic button. So there is update and cut this information, and this will be deleted. So our 3 button is done, update and delete, and let's work for this update. So for update user, let's create another method like a feature update user, okay. So let's assign, let's now create is a Firebase Firestore dot instant dot collection. So our collection name is my collection, then dot doc, sorry, doc dot update. So here we have to use or give the data. So what is the data? Let's go to the next line, press by enter. So our data is, so which data we want to change, okay. So let's, the first document is Lucas, so let's rename it to, sorry, so name is into Lucas. So the data is, we have to change just name, then Lucas, Lucas Vasquez, okay, Lucas Vasquez. Vasco. Okay, Vasco, no problem. So we run it. So we have to call the function in update. So update user. So it will not work. Okay, see, Lucas is not work. Why the Lucas is not work? I didn't call it or didn't pick which documents it will put the name the Lucas Vasquez. So our document ID is this. So copy it and here paste the document. Okay. So collection is my collection, document is this document I want to change, and the update which will be added name will be Lucas Vasco. So and in the update we call the method. Let's run it. See the Lucas Vasco. So see Lucas Vasco, the age is 10. Age is 10. We want to change this age like age to 15. We run it. Update. See, age is 15. So this is the update method we want to. And the delete is super easy. Just copy the full method, delete user and collection here this dot delete. So which document you want to delete? Like I want to delete the rat, so copy the ID name and paste here, run it. So our rat is name is Uber, so delete. Oh sorry, we didn't call the function in the delete button. Let delete user, run it. Uber will be gone when you click run. Delete. See, so this is how you can create, update, and delete user. And the previous video we also shown how to connect the Firestore and show the data. So before seeing that, you have to watch my previous video. Thank you all. Good night.